Welcome to Hey Jen Podcast. Today we're diving into the world of kitchen innovation with the Sensarti 17-piece cookware set. Let's jump right in.
That sounds fantastic. So, what's the buzz about this cookware set?
Well, it's all about space saving and versatility. The detachable handles are a game changer.
Detachable handles? That's interesting. How do they work?
Well, so they have this one-click mechanism that lets you remove the handle, which makes
nice.
storage so much easier.
Right? I can imagine that saves a lot of space, especially
Exactly.
for people with smaller kitchens.
Exactly. They claim you can save up to 70% more space.
Wow.
It's perfect for RVs and compact living spaces.
That's really handy.
It
and
is.
the cookware itself, what's special about it?
Well, it has a granite nonstick coating that's free of PFOA, lead, and cadmium.
That's great.
So it's healthier cooking with less oil needed.
Healthier cooking is always a plus.
Definitely.
How about cleaning? Is it easy to clean?
Oh, absolutely. The nonstick coating makes cleaning a breeze, and
Nice.
it's dishwasher safe, so you don't have to worry about scrubbing.
That's a relief. I've spent too
Yeah.
much time scrubbing pans.
Haven't we all? Plus,
Yeah.
it has a wear-resistant bottom that prevents black residue buildup even after dishwasher use.
That's impressive. Does it work on all stovetops?
Yes. Yes, it's compatible with all stovetops, including induction. The high
Perfect.
magnetic conductive base ensures even heat distribution.
I like that. Nothing
too.
worse than uneven cooking.
Seriously. And get this. The removable handle can support up to 22 pounds.
No
so
way.
it's sturdy enough for heavy dishes.
That's reassuring. Sometimes
Absolutely.
detachable parts feel flimsy.
Exactly, but not in this case. They've professionally tested the handles.
Good to know. So what's included in this 17-piece set?
Quite a lot. It's quite comprehensive. You get 2 frying pans, 2 saucepans, a saute pan, a grill pan, 2 removable
Okay.
handles, glass lids, pot protectors, and fridge storage lids.
That's a lot. Seems
sure
like they've
is.
thought of everything.
They really have. The stackable design plus the detachable handles make it easy to store all of it neatly.
And you mentioned fridge storage lids? That's
Yeah.
convenient.
Yeah, you can cook, then store leftovers directly in the pot. Fewer
Nice.
dishes to clean.
I love that idea. So how about sustainability? Do they address that?
They do. Actually, yes. The cookware is made with at least 95% recycled materials, certified
Really?
by the Recycled Claim Standard.
That's fantastic. It's great to see companies focusing on sustainability.
Absolutely. Absolutely. It's becoming more important to consumers.
Definitely.
It's nice when products are both high quality and eco-friendly.
Couldn't agree more. Do they have
Exactly.
any special designations or awards?
Yes, it's marked as Amazon's Choice,
Oh,
which
interesting.
means it's highly rated, well-priced, and available to ship immediately.
That's reassuring for potential buyers.
It is. Definitely. And the customer reviews are mostly positive.
Good.
People love the ease of cleaning and space-saving features.
Any common complaints we should be aware of?
Well, some users reported staining on the bottom of the cookware and issues with the plastic fridge lids warping in the dishwasher.
That's something to consider. Maybe hand wash those lids then?
Probably a good idea.
Yeah.
Overall, though, the feedback is quite positive.
That's great. So, how does this set compare to other cookware sets?
Well, the detachable handle is pretty unique.
Right.
Most sets don't offer that kind of space-saving design.
True. And the recycled materials are a big plus.
Exactly. It's not just about cooking, it's about being mindful.
Agreed. Any idea about the warranty or customer service?
Yes. Warranty information is available on the product page.
Okay.
They seem to stand behind their product.
That's always important.
Definitely. After all, investing in cookware is investing in your kitchen's future.
Absolutely. So, would you recommend this set?
I think so. I think it's a solid choice, especially for those needing to save space.
Makes
The features
sense.
and benefits seem to outweigh any minor issues.
I might just have to get one for myself.
Haha, well, with all these perks, why not?
Exactly. You know, one thing I wonder is how it holds up over time.
Good question. That's a good point. Nonstick
Yeah.
coatings can wear out, but with proper care, it should last.
Right, following the care instructions is key.
Absolutely. And avoiding metal utensils, using medium heat, all
Yep.
that good stuff.
So overall, it seems like a versatile and practical cookware set.
I'd say so. It combines functionality with thoughtful design.
Well, thanks for sharing all this information.
My pleasure. Always happy to talk cookware.
Haha. Next time, maybe we can cook something up together.
Sounds good. Sounds like a plan.
Great.